Hey, I'm back with comparatives. Let's start. We used comparative adjectives to compare things between each other to say one has a greater or a worse difference, greater or less, okay? Para comparar, comparativos. Okay, right, let's start. Two types. One syllable, two or more. Okay, one syllable or two or more syllables. When there's adjectives with one syllable, for example, tall. Tall has only got one syllable. We add er on the end of it. Taller. If it's got two or more syllables, beautiful. Like me, of course. Beautiful. We put more behind it. Notice the more goes behind. Behind. It would be more beautiful. Oliver is more beautiful than Karen. Tall. Oliver is taller than Karen. Okay, so that's the comparatives and that's how you'd add them. Now let's see what they're like in the sentences. Let's see if I've got a board rubber here. So we'll be comparing two things, let's say. Oliver and Karen, for example. Oliver is, then here is where you would put your comparative adjective. In this case, it's taller. Then we use than, which would be que en castellano. Oliver es más alto que Karen. Okay? And it's the same if we have two syllables or more. We use the same thing. What we're going to compare, Karen is, I'll let her have this one, more intelligent than que Oliver. I hope you understand that. That is the positive. And now we're going to go for the negative. In the negative, it's slightly different. It's easier, but it's a bit complicated as well. Oliver is, in the negative, we use not as. Okay? No tan como. No tan como. Not as. Not as tall as Karen. Notice in the negative, when we're comparing two things in a negative, it stays the same. We don't have to add the er and we don't have to add the more. In the negative, it just stays the same. Okay, let's practice. Comparatives. Let's have a look. I am old than my sister. Old, one syllable. I am older. The PlayStation is than homework. I know you know this one. Definitely PlayStation. More interesting. Come on, it's got two or more syllables. More interesting. The negative, he isn't as Harry. He isn't as tall. It just stays the same. Isn't as tall as Harry. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the class. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye.